Hi, we're gonna read about the cool bee makes a splash. Watch out, here comes the cool bees. Check out how they dive. Look at how they cannonball. Watch how they backflip. Wow! What a splashy entrance. The cool bees are the best swimmers in town. Ah, yes, this is fun. This is the life. Look at their terrific technique. Their perfect technique. Their perfect posture. Their fearless floating. The cool bees are at the center of everything. Meanwhile, I'm out here on my own. I'm treading water by myself. But hey, we are all just doing our best. Plus, there are plenty of things of ordinary me to do in the pool. I can still have a grand old time, yes. But every time I try to act cool, whoops, oh no, splash. It never goes very well. Suddenly I have a new idea, a big idea, a super idea. Have you seen the super slide up there? See, way up there. You see it? Yes, it's a huge, it's tall, it's scary. I have never been brave enough to ride on the slide before. Maybe today's my day. After all, how will I never become a cool bee if I don't take a chance? Okay. So now I have a plan. Yes, I'm going to gracefully glide down the super slide. Watch out! Here I come marching up the steps. Watch out! Here I am about to ride the super slide to fame and glory. Watch out! Here I am. Why are my knees shaking? And why do my arms feel like noodles? And why am I sweating? And why am I wobbling? And why is my stomach filled with butterflies? Oh no, 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 no. Look down there. See everybody staring at me. I can't do it. I just can't do it. I don't know what I am thinking. Oh no, what are the cool bees doing? Wait, what are they coming up here? Wait, are they going to embarrass me even more? I can't stand it. A girl. It turns out the cool bees just wanted to help me out. Pissed. It looked like you could use a hand. Oh, and they asked if I'd like to ride the slide with them. They are waiting for my answer. Sure, yes, I would like that. Great, we will be right behind you. It's not as scary when you go with friends. It will be over before you know it. Wee, 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 wee. Whoa, wow, I did it. I really did it. I really, really did it. What a thrill, what a rush, what a ride! And I never even cried. Splush. The super slide was super fun, and I couldn't have done it without my cool friends. High five. Yeah, buddy. They're all realized that I just needed some encouragement and support. Sometimes I forget that there are plenty of kind folks who have my back. They're always here when I need them. Yes, indeed. Watch out. Here I come. Yow. And now it's time to relax with my friends. Because it turns out you can be just as cool at the shallow end of the pool. Did you be scared when you go somewhere? Comment down below. Thank you.